Hey y'all, it's your girl Samaya. Welcome and welcome back. How y'all doing? So in this video, I will be doing my hair. I will show you guys how I did this lovely look. I got this wig from Temu. If you want to know more details on it, I did do a video on my TikTok, so make sure you guys follow my TikTok. The name will be here somewhere. Make sure y'all follow my TikTok to get further details about this wig. I just want to do a quick little intro for you guys because it is going to be a voiceover video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for being here. Yeah. All right, y'all, I hope y'all enjoy the video. Hey y'all, so this is the wig and this is the lace. I have worn this wig several times. This is the lace tint spray that I'm using. A lot of the products that I'm using I got off of Temu, and all of that is on my TikTok, so make sure you follow my TikTok. Those are HD wig caps, also from Temu. I'm using this braid gel to slick my edges back. Y'all, that works very good. I use it to braid my hair all the time, like turns my grip game up. So if y'all want to try it, I got it from my local beauty supply store. I don't know if you guys' store will have it, but that's where I got mine from. And do y'all see how see-through this is? Like, this is wild. But make sure you guys clean your foreheads off with alcohol before you guys start, to get rid of any extra moisture, oils, any of that stuff, because you want your wig to stick, right? You don't want it to be lifting. So you gotta do what you gotta do to make sure that it stays. When I cut the ear holes, I cut behind my ear. That way I keep it from going too far or cutting where I don't want it to cut. And I'm using Ghost Bond that also came from Temu. I got most of this stuff in one little package for under $20, y'all. Like, and this is not sponsored. I'm really just trying to put the girls on, because Ghost Bond with a whole bunch of other stuff for $20, it's a steal. But y'all gotta check out my TikTok to see what all came into that bundle. So yeah, I'm just putting the glue all around my edges. And this is just to get a layout, like a map of how I'm going to put my wig on. And this is also just to lay it all down so I can cut off any of the excess. I don't know what this method is called when you put the glue on first and then cut it, but I like this method over spraying it or over anything else. So make sure you let it dry completely before you cut it. So when it turns clear, that's when you know it's 100% dry. If you still see any white spots, just leave it. But yeah, try to get it to 100% dry. And then once it's dry, that's when I spray the lace tint on. I have learned that when you spray the lace tint on after, it looks better. Because I used to spray it on first and then put the glue on, but it would just look weird. And so yeah, I just spray it on after the fact. And I also clean my ears off because this tint spray will stain. So I tried to clean that off like as soon as I got it on there. And when you're cutting off the excess, just make sure you're being careful, because I have cut myself a couple of times and it's not fun. So just make sure you're being careful when you're cutting off the excess lace once the glue is dry. And don't mind the way the frontal looks, y'all. I was plucking the frontal. I tried to pluck it, but I didn't do too much. But one thing I did notice about this wig is that the frontal was shorter than the hair. That I did not like, because I don't always put layers in my hair. But yeah. So I'm just doing the same thing again. I cleaned my forehead off with the alcohol, and I'm going back in with some more hair glue. And now I'm doing this to actually stick the wig on my head. You can do as many layers as you want, but I'm only doing 2 layers. I don't need it to last for that long. I'm really just doing it for the video. But yeah, you can do however many layers you want. The more layers you do, the stickier it'll be, and like the longer it lasts. But I only do like 2 layers, 3 layers max. So when you're attaching the lace to your forehead, when you put it on there, use the back of a comb or like the tail of a comb to stick it down, you don't want to use your fingers to press down on it because you have all types of products and stuff on your hands. Your hands are probably oily, just from natural oils and stuff, and that can affect the way that your lace sticks. So stick it on and use the back of a comb or the tail of a comb to make it stick better. So basically you just repeat that same process on both sides. This is just the way that I install my wigs. I start at the center and then do the other sides. Some people just put the glue all the way around and make it stick that way. Whatever works for you, but this helps me section off my hair better and make sure that I'm sticking it where it needs to go. Remember to blow dry the glue until it's clear. You don't want to stick your lace on while it's still white because it will show through your lace. So just make sure you let it dry completely.
I'm so mature, got me in therapist to tell me there's a limit. I want that and I just want you. And I can't have you, no one should have mine. I love you like this, not the best idea. Here's no confused, how I get here. I like you like this, I still love you. Rather be chillin' alone. I get the sense that it's on cause. I get the sense that you might really love her. This is gonna be evidence. This is evidence. I try to rationate you no more. There's a crime of passion, but damn, you was out of reach. You was at the point I get with your perfect peach. Now I'm in a phase, man. Right now on my days. Now you play your face down. I'll be saying over. I'm so mature. Got me in therapist to tell me there's a limit. I just want you.
Now we're moving on to baby hairs. Now this is completely optional. You don't have to do baby hairs, but I just like the look of baby hairs. I don't really know how to explain baby hairs, so I'm not gonna try to. The best thing I can tell you guys to do is just to watch how I'm doing it and go for it.
Just the beginning, it don't get no better. As long as you hold down, I'll be up for whatever. And I love the way you look.
Now I'm gonna go in with some even hairspray, however you say it. I got that from my local beauty supply store. That headband came from that Temu package as well. But yeah, I just sprayed my hair and then tie it down. I brushed my hair out because I was gonna straighten it, but then I changed my mind because I quickly realized what type of process I was getting myself into. So yeah, now I'm just spraying water in it to get that curl pattern going on. And you guys are gonna see what products I use in the hair to get it curly or to keep the curls. I did get that product from Walmart. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it before, but it works really good on wigs. And if you have like that loose curl texture hair, then I'm sure it will work just as well on your natural hair as well.
I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your.
I'm just working the product all throughout the hair. You don't have to use a lot. You really don't need a lot because it works amazing. Like, I really do love this product for my curly hair wigs. But you don't need a lot. Just make sure your hair is wet and you work it all the way through your hair.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm back.
Now it's time to flatten the hair. I got this wax stick from Temu and that $20 package, y'all. Stop playing with it. But yeah, I'm just putting that all over like my edges and all over the part to get everything as straight as possible. And I'm going to go in with a hot comb fresh off the stove, baby. Make sure that the towel or whatever you use doesn't turn brown before you put it in your hair, or you will burn your hair and it will fall off, okay? But yeah, make sure you're using the spine of your hot comb. When you do this, that's the best way to get it as flat as possible, to use the spine of the hot comb.
I won't be around while you chase. You won't hit me up when you make. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want to prove where to stay.
I'm also spraying some Pump It Up on my hair to try to get it to lay flat also. I don't know, like those few little flyaways just were not trying to go away. So yeah, I just eventually left them alone.
Stop playing with them, Ryan. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make up a choice and I get up and say every time that I put.
Now I'm going in and cleaning up that part with some concealer and a flat brush. That's just to make the part look more noticeable, like to make it look like an actual part, you know what I'm saying? To hide those little knots and stuff like that, you know?
Then I'm breaking news, just be pressed like who you. I get whatever I like.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final result. I did just do my eyebrows and stuff. That is a separate video of me doing my eyebrows, because a lot of people ask me how I do my eyebrows. You know, I'm like, they're just eyebrows, but everybody loves my eyebrows, so that's gonna be a separate video, so make sure you guys check that out. Hey y'all, so I really just wanted to come on here and show y'all the hair once it's dry, fully dry. It is kind of full, kind of thick, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just wanted to come show this real quick. Plus I look real good, real good, real good. But if you've made it this far, I appreciate you so much for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Come check out your girl, because why not? And I'll see y'all in another video. Bye, y'all.